Part 2 is finally out. When I asked why they hadn't been doing that for the past few years, they claimed I was financially irresponsible. I have a good credit score, have lived on my own since age 21, I've never missed a payment, I religiously track all expenses and income on spreadsheets, I've never carried a balance on my credit card, and my partner and I have a net worth of over $40,000. I understand I could theoretically do better, but I have never given anyone any reason to believe I was financially irresponsible. Initially, I was thrilled, but my partner was skeptical because my parents have changed their story about this money so many times. So I did some digging on the court cases to find that my parents had been appointed as my guardians by the court to manage my $130,000 settlement until I became an adult. My brother also received a $30,000 settlement. So this money has been commingled and was put in my parents' investment account rather than a trust or a UGMA account for me. I'm thinking of asking my parents and their financial advisor to correct their errors in the most tax-advantaged way possible because I no longer trust them. I plan to ask them to transfer to me the $130,000 plus any unrealized capital gains that have accumulated over the past 7 years. Considering the average performance of the S&P 500 over the past 7 years, that $130,000 should have more than doubled, and $10,000 per year they promised would still allow them to profit off of my own insurance settlement for my spinal cord injury. If they don't voluntarily comply, would I have a decent legal case against them? And AITAH for asking for this money as a lump sum? Edit. I briefly interned with my parents' financial advisor and he bragged about committing PPP loan fraud, tried to get me to do his continuing education for him, never scheduled any of his own private appointments outside of work, and constantly joked about not hiring enough diversity, so the staff should wear darker makeup. So Greg, the financial advisor, has not given me a ton of indication that he knows what he's doing.